Picture this. Now you have splurged on an expensive dress or suit, or you own an heirloom sari. Now even if you wear it to a party for just a few hours, it still catches on dust, germs and odor particles. So here's a perfect solution and a must-have for every home, office, hotels and just about everywhere else. This is the Samsung AirDresser and it promises to keep all your clothes absolutely safe. So let's get started. Ready to see some magic? And now while the process is on, let me show you what happens inside the machine. A strong force of jet steam sterilizes the items. The jet air and air hangers release powerful air that loosens the particles and dust from your clothes with minimal noise and vibration so that you can place the AirDresser anywhere in your home, even in your bedroom. Clothes are dried at a low temperature to reduce the risk of damage and shrinkage. The Deodorizing Filter captures and removes odor particles caused by food, spices or sweat. And all this can be controlled using the Samsung SmartThings app. And after all those 4 steps, your clothes are ready, recharged and refreshed. Now another useful and rather luxurious feature of the AirDresser is that it dehumidifies the room wherever you place it. Now, as you can see, my jacket is completely refreshed and sanitized, free of germs and pollutants or any kind of odors. A very convenient way of garment care in luxury living and working environments.